it is steeper than snot and slicker than snot. There's not a lot of traction going up. I kind of had to give it up in a certain couple spots. I was just pushing the bike and digging the trail out, and I don't want to do that. So turn back around here, and you can feel just how soft that upper layer is and just how greasy it is even on the way down. But these little roots and stuff are just under the surface, and they're causing, oh dang it, those little roots are causing me all sorts of traction issues right now. Smells really good though.
I know what some of you are thinking. You're like, why didn't you just hit that? Well, first off, it's because the log is suspended really high. I can't hit it straight on. It's really steep downhill, and I hate hitting logs downhill. I can't go straight onto it, and there's just a number. I'm just like, you know what? No. I'm 42. I don't need to be like injuring myself on this. I love a good log crossing, but I want to be able to like hit it square on. I don't want to be on a steep downhill. I don't want it to be crazy high. It's easier to hit a big log that's big and high than it is to hit a small log that's suspended like that, because it's so critical where your wheel placement is. Hitting it going uphill, one thing. Hitting it going downhill, totally different thing.
This is cool. Love the autumn leaves here. Love the dark, rich earth here. Dark brown dirt. No dust.